Hi, good morning, students. It's me, Harsnath Sukla, and today we are going to discuss lecture number 4 for class 10th. Chapter is arithmetic progression, and topic is exercise 5.2, question number 6 onwards. Okay, so let us begin. So, first question is question number exercise 5.2, question number 6 is minus 150 is a term of AP 11852 dot 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 is minus 150 is a term of AP 11852 dot dot dot. So here solution, here A is equal to 11, D is equal to 8 minus 11, that is minus 3, and we have to find, and Tn is given minus 150. So using formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is nothing but 11 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3, and Tn is minus 150. So minus 150 is equal to 11 minus 3n plus 3. So 3n is equal to minus 150 is equal to 14 minus 3n. So 3n is equal to, transfer that side, 14 plus 150 implies 3n is equal to 164. 3n is equal to 164. So n is equal to 164 divided by 3. So n is a whole number. Here you see n is a whole, not a whole number. N is a fractional number. That's why minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. For the term, it should be necessary that n is a whole number. Okay. So now next we have to see next one, question number 7. Question number 7. Find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Question number 7 you have to see. Here we have given information about two terms. First one is 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So first of all we have to consider the first term and the common difference. So let A is the first term and D is the common difference of given AP. So according to question, T11 is equal to A plus 10D. So T11 is what? 38 A plus 10D. So A plus 10D is equal to 38. This is equation number 1. Again 16th term is 73. That means a plus 15d is equal to 73. This is equation number 2. On solving both the equation, we will get a plus 10d is equal to 38. A plus 15d is equal to 73. Now subtracting, we get minus 5d is equal to 8 minus 13 minus 8 5 and 6 minus 3 3 minus 35. So d is equal to 7 because 5 7s are 35. Putting the value of d in any one of the equation, we will get the value of a. Now a plus 10d is equal to 38. So a plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. So a plus 70 is equal to 38. So a is equal to 38 minus 70. This is minus of 2 3 32. So first term is minus 32 and common difference d is 7. So find the 31st term. Now we need to find 31st term. So 31st term is T31. 31st term is T31 is equal to a plus 30d is minus 32 plus 30 into 7. So minus 32 plus 210. So T31 is subtracted 0 to 10 to 8, and now here 9. Yes, again 10, 3. This is 7 and 1. So T31 is 178. So this is the answer. So now next one we have to see question number 8. So I hope you understand these two questions, 6th and 7th. Now we are going to proceed for question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. This is also a good question. An AP consists of 50 terms. What is given? An AP consists of 50 terms. The last term is given. Consists of 50 terms, which third term is 12. So first of all, let us consider, let first term be A and common difference is D. So T3 is equal to A plus 2D. T3 is equal to 12. That means A plus 2D is equal to 12. This is equation number 1. And as question state, it consists of 50 term and last term is 106. That means T50, because this is the last term, this is nothing but 106. So A plus 49D is equal to 106. Question number 2. And now we have to find 29th term. So first of all, we find question number the value of A and D. So a plus 2d, a plus 49d is equal to 106. A plus 2d is equal to 12. So subtracting, we will get 47d is equal to this is 6 to 4, and here 0 1, that is 10 9, 94. Okay, so d is equal to 94 by 47, this is 2. So the value of d is 2. That means if we put d in any one of the equation, we will get the value of a. So a plus 2d is equal to 12. A plus 2 into d, 2, 12. A plus 4 is equal to 12. So a is equal to 12 minus 4. A is equal to 8. Now we need to find T29, that means 29 term. T29 is a plus 28 into d. So a is what? 8 plus 28 into 2. So 8 plus 56. This is 64. So T29 is nothing but 64, and this is your answer. Okay. Now next question, question number 9. Now question number 9 is, if the third and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of AP is 0? This is also a good question. If the third and ninth term of an AP are minus 4 and 8, if third and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8. So question number 9, again let first term is term be A and common difference is D. So according to question, T3 4, A plus 2D 4, and T9 is equal to minus 8. This means A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. This is equation number 2. On solving 1 and 2, we get A plus 8D minus 8. A plus 2D, this is 4, cancelled out. This is 6D minus 12. So D will be minus 2. Putting the value of D in any one of the equation, A plus 2D is equal to 4. So A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. A minus 4 is equal to 4. So A is equal to 8. So again, we have to find which term is 0. Now in this question, we had to find which term of this AP is 0. So A is given, D is given. So let us Tn is equal to 0. That means A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 0. A is 8 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 0. A minus 2n plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2n is equal to 10. So n will be 5. So fifth term of this AP should be 0. So this is question number 9 and this is completed. So 10th you have to try, otherwise which term of AP is 132 more than, okay, we have to see, because there are 20 question, so maybe one more lecture needed for that, but I have to solve maximum number of questions. So first one is now next 10th question is, the 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7, find the common difference. This is also a good question. Question number 10. Question number 10, only have to make the equation, you just find it. 17th term of an AP exceed 10th term by 7. According to question, 17th term is 10 exceed by the exceed its 10th term by 7. T70 is T10 plus 7. Now T70 is 7 more than the T10th term by 7. And now you have to solve it. A plus 16D, A plus 9D plus 7. You just solve it, you will get the value of we just find the common difference. Yes, you just solve it, you will get the value of T. Now next question number 11, which term of AP is, this is 132 already, we have to solve this type of question. 132 more than the 54th term, so you just try it. Now question number 12, two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th and 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term? Okay, so this is good question. You just see question number 12. Question number 12. There are two APs whose having same common difference, have the same common difference. The difference of their 100 term is 100. Then what is the difference of their 1000 term? So suppose A1 and A2 are first term of this AP, and D1, D2 is common difference of this AP. But according to question, D1 is equal to D2. So T100 1 minus T100 2 is equal to 100. That means the 100 term, difference of their 100 term. So A1 plus 99D minus A2 plus 99D, because both have the same common difference. So A1 minus A2, this will be 100. A1 plus 99D1 minus A2 minus 99D2 D. This is 100. This cancelled out. A1 minus A2 must have 100. So T1001 minus T1002. That means their 1000 term difference. A1 plus 999D minus A2 plus 999D, and you see here A1 minus A2, because 9990D 999D is cancelled out and this will be 100. So their 1000 term difference is also 100 only. Okay, so up to question number 12 you have to complete it. Rest of the question, that means 13 onwards, we have to see next lecture. Thank you.